Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys, today is the day before my birthday, but by the time you're seeing this, it's probably after my birthday. My birthday is June 9th to be exact, if you were wondering. But my lovely friend Lisa here on YouTube, Lisa Ann, I will definitely be linking her channel in the description box today because she decided to be a doll and gift me this box for my birthday. And I have absolutely no idea what's in here, but I am super excited to find out. And I figured you might enjoy seeing what she got me as well. So I asked her if I could unbox it with you guys, and she said it was totally okay. So you will be able to see my reactions to these products, or whatever's in here anyway. So if you're interested in seeing what Lisa gifted me for my birthday, please do keep on watching because we're jumping into it right now. Also, if you're curious about the look we got going on today, I did just get done filming it in like 99 degrees weather in Florida. And I am melting to death because I can't have my AC on because it makes the sound quality even worse than it already is, if we're being honest. But if you want to see this look in action, please go check that out because it's probably already up on my channel, honestly. It's my birthday, get ready with me. Again, I know it's not technically my birthday, but I didn't want to film on my birthday because honestly right now it's just so hot. But at any rate, if you don't want to watch that video but you're still curious about what's on my face, as always, I will link it in my description box. I always link what I'm wearing in all of my videos, so if you're ever curious, please check that out. So let's open the box. I have my knife right here. Trying not to show you our addresses. It's hard to open because they're on both sides, but okay. Alright, now the moment we've all been waiting for. There's still tape on the sides. I thought it was gonna open. That was not the moment we were all waiting for. She definitely packaged this one very well. She's like me, she used lots of tape. I mean, I go through an entire roll of tape on one present. That's how bad I am with packaging, so honestly, I understand the tape thing. But now, for the real moment we're all waiting for. Voila! Okay, I'm so excited to see what's in here. Like I said, I have absolutely no idea, but I am excited for the surprise. So let's get this stuff out and show her off, right? I'm just too excited. I'm acting like a fool today. I know. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not that sorry. The first thing we have here is a card, and I'm super excited because I absolutely love cards. I'm a weird person when it comes to cards. I have saved all of the cards I've ever received since as far back as like I was like 10. I know, weird, but I love getting cards. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It has a skull on it. Oh my god, it's adorable. I love this. Oh, that's fancy. Did she not write anything? Well, look at that skull. Look how freaking cool that is. Oh, it says pull for note. Oh, okay, so she wrote something. Good. I was hoping she wrote something. But look at how cool that pop-up is. Hold on. Voila! How cool is that? That is the cutest thing. Honestly, this is the coolest card I think I've ever received. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Okay, so she did write me something on this little note. I'm not going to read this because, you know, it's personal or whatever. So I'm going to read that in my free time, of course. This is honestly the cutest card I've ever received. I love it so, so much. Anyways, let's continue on with the box, shall we? So the... Guys, I don't know what it is, but it's melt. Listen. Oh my god. She got me something melt for my... Lisa? You are a babe. Is this the blueprint stack? Hold on. I was right, it is! Oh my god! Guys, I'm about to scream. You're about to like bust your eardrums. Oh. You are the sweetest thing ever! Lisa is such a doll. Melt Cosmetics is one of our favorite brands. She loves Melt. I love Melt. Who doesn't love Melt? Let's be honest. But I only have one palette from them. So now I have technically two. And I'm so over the moon right now. Thank you so much. Okay, so that was a wonderful way to start the box. Okay. Just gonna have an anxiety attack about how excited I am. Woo, okay. Is it hot in here? Yes, it actually is, but it's getting even hotter. Next we have an Aoa Sponge, which I actually just got done talking about about in my birthday get ready with me how much I love these sponges. They are so good and so affordable. So happy to have another one in my backup, so thank you again. Ooh, we have an Aoa Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter. This is exciting. It's in the shade Fortune. I'm gonna swatch this because I'm excited. Okay, if I can figure out how to open it, that would probably be best. Okay, I figured it out, guys. It's actually not as hard as it seemed. I'm just not always there. Okay. Ooh, it looks to be like a really pretty pink. Okay, I'm really excited because I love a pink highlighter. Did she know that? Probably, because I wear them all the time. I'm wearing one today. It's kind of my favorite. So let's see. Oh, wow. That's actually super gorgeous. That's like so shiny. Okay. From Aoa, that is like impressive. I hope you guys can see that shine, but honestly, that is gorgeous. Ooh, I cannot wait to wear that. That's so pretty. I love that. I really do. I love that. I haven't tried their highlighters either. And now, if I like this on the face, as much as I like it on the swatch, I might have to go buy more. That's really pretty. Next we have this. These look like nail strips, which I do use nail strips because I use the Color Street ones usually. But these are super cute. They're like leopard print. That's super cute. I did just get some new nails from Kiss that I can put nail strips on, so I'm very excited about these actually. Next we have this. What is this? Below the Belt. Below the Belt Croc Card Case. Oh, is this for like, oh, hold on. Is this like kind of like a wallet, maybe? I don't know. Oh, I think it is like a wallet. Oh, this is super cute. I love that like pattern, that red, like, oh, that's gorgeous actually. Okay, sweet. Always nice to have a new little card holder. Okay, I actually don't have a card holder either. I just put everything in my wallet. But this is like a card holder wallet thing. I don't know, but I'm really excited because I think it's really beautiful and it kind of matches my look I have going on the eyeshadow. Yes. Next we have, ooh, we have something from KVD. This is the Lipstick Duo. I don't think I have either of these. Actually, I have a lot of the KVD liquid lipstick, but I don't think I have either of these shades, which is super exciting. Hold on. Let's see, let's see. Oh, I do have Wolf, and I do have Dagger. Oh no. I'm very appreciative, but I actually do own both of these liquid lipsticks, so maybe I can put them in a giveaway or something. I don't know, but regardless, it was super sweet of her. I know I have so much makeup, it's hard to know exactly what I have. I don't really blame her, but honestly, it was super sweet nonetheless. So now let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, she sent me something from Scentbird. I'm actually really excited about this. I've heard a lot of great things about Scentbird, but I've never been able to try it. So I'm really excited to see what scent she sent me. Ooh, okay, so it is Donna Karen Cashmere Mist. You can smell it just like right here. And it smells amazing. Oh my god. How did she know I was gonna love that? Because I really, really do love this. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna spray myself, okay? Oh. Is it not a sprayer? Oh, how does this work? Oh, is it one of the thingies that you do? Okay. I'm be real, I don't know how to use it. Oh! I am not the brightest individual. I took off the cap thinking it was the cap. This is the sprayer. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. I was like, how does this work? Oh my gosh. And it's not like overpowering either. I think it's really nice scent actually because I have asthma, so if anything is too overpowering, it can like set me off. But I don't think, no, I think this is going to be perfect actually. It's really nice. I'm so excited about this actually. I don't have a lot of perfumes because I don't know. I have asthma, so I have a hard time buying them myself because I'm like, oh, what if it's going to set me off? But this smells amazing, so I think I'm really going to love it. There's so many goodies in this box, man. She really outdid herself. You are the best, Lisa. If you're not subscribed to Lisa's channel, what are you doing? She's obviously the sweetest human in the world. Did you not realize that already? But she's also super gorgeous and does lots of makeup looks and makeup content. And she does all fun stuff over on her channel. It's really always a good time, so I highly recommend checking her out. Again, I will be linking her in my description box, so check it out. But next we have here, oh, we have the Ace Beauty. She got me my favorite bronzing palette. I already own this, and she knows I own this, so I'm wondering why she gifted me this. There's gotta be some kind of background story here, but If you guys didn't know, this is like my favorite bronzing palette ever. I'll show it to you. It is gorgeous. I mean, come on. Beautiful. The darkest one I can't really use on my skin tone, but actually all the other ones I can kind of get away with. The lightest one in here is my all-time favorite bronzer. Anyway, let's continue on. There's one more thing in the box, and let's see what it is. And the last thing in the box is actually another product I already own. It just goes to show you that her and I think very alike. We have very similar makeup aesthetics. Is that not obvious? She sent me quite a few things that I already own, which goes to show we're very alike. But I really appreciate it nonetheless, and honestly this palette is beautiful. If you guys haven't seen it, this is what she looks like, and she is so pretty. I have one, and I actually think I decluttered it kind of in my decluttering video. You guys haven't seen it yet. I really need to get on my game and start editing things again. I mean, I edit, but like there's so many things I need to get out, and I already did my eyeshadow palette declutter. You just haven't seen it, and I kind of cheated in that video. I actually decluttered mine, but then when I was actually like sorting through, I like put it back in my collection because I was like, oh, I don't know, I kind of like it still. It is a really pretty color story. There's no denying that. Let's go ahead and open this up because I am so excited about the melt stack. That is probably the most exciting part about this whole box for me personally, but all of it was super sweet and I am so grateful. But I am so excited for this stack because, guys, it's Melt Cosmetics. Who doesn't love Melt? Okay, I know some people don't, but listen, I do. So I'm really excited, and I've never had one of their stacks before, so this is super cool. Okay, so how do these things work? Oh, okay, so they just come apart? That's so neat. I know not a lot of people like this packaging, and I can maybe see why, but I think it's kind of neat since I don't have one. I don't know, it's kind of cool for me. Also, it comes with a little mirror. That's kind of cute, huh? Anyway, so we have this beautiful duo. It's so pretty. And then we have these beautiful, oh my gosh, like that navy blue is so stunning. I love a good navy blue. Shimmer and matte, the corresponding. Yes, please. And then we have, ooh, we have some bronzy colors. I kind of know what the stack looks like, but I've never actually seen it, so I'm like, oh, okay. Intrigued. Oh, and we have some more neutrals. Super cute. Honestly, these look prettier than they do in pictures, in my opinion. These look way more saturated. I haven't swatched them, obviously, and I would. Oh, I almost did. Almost dug my finger in there on accident. I thought the cap was on. I would swatch these right now, but I have nothing to wipe my hands on, and I don't want to make a mess. But I am super excited about this. This is super cute, and I cannot wait to use it. Thank you so much again, Lisa. You're the best. But I mean, I appreciate everything so much. Even the stuff that I already own, just the thought that she wanted to give me something is just incredibly kind and so sweet. And you know, it's hard to find genuinely kind-hearted people these days, I think sometimes. But she is definitely one of the most purest souls I know. I met her here on YouTube, but we have become such great friends. We actually did a collab together not that long ago. I'll link it in the cards if you want to check that out. But we have just become such close friends. We talk basically daily, and she's just amazing. So again, if you guys haven't checked out her channel, what are you waiting for? She's amazing. Go check it out. Go subscribe. Go tell her I said hi. But yeah, I just think this is the sweetest thing ever. Honestly, Lisa, thank you so much. You're amazing. You just made my birthday that much better, and I love you for it. But anyways, guys, I hope we had some fun. I hope you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.